Hello, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Welcome.
Please, are you the owner of this place? Are you the engineer of this place?
Okay, I'm the engineer of this place and equally the manager of this place too. So we just started this thing newly.
Please, let me see what you are doing here.
Okay, you can come inside.
Thank you. So what is this building? What is it really for?
Okay. By my left side is the security house, and the security house we are building it standard. We have the security room, the security kitchen, and the toilet for it. And this one you are seeing outside there is the staircase. Alright, so and we are doing it standard, and not only standard, it's an upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yes.
Wow.
So
This is more than standard, though. Please, what is this place for?
okay, that one is a security kitchen.
Security kitchen. Okay,
And
this side is the passage.
and the other one is the toilet.
Okay, the toilet.
Yes.
Wow. I think I can see other buildings too. Wow, people have really gone fine in this construction.
And
What
this
is this place?
this one is the staircase that
Okay,
leads
this
to
is
the
the-
up. Yes.
Let's see this
And
other
the
building.
and the reason why we are doing it upstairs is for the security man to oversees everything, to cover up both the inside and the outside of the company, to know what is happening. So that's the reason why we are doing it upstairs.
Okay, it's good. It's good. I love this.
So
Please
by my
tell
right
me
side,
this one.
by my right side is the store. Why
Okay,
the
the
small?
store.
Yeah, why the
Why
small?
store here?
Okay, let me explain. The small house there is the visitors toilet, and this first room here is the shop. Why the reason why we call it shop is where we are going to sell all the home based equipment. So anyone that you buy they will register it here. The second store is just for the parking of the fridge.
Well, please excuse me. What really are you for constructing here? What are you people doing here?
Okay, this is the poultry.
Poultry for what?
Okay, poultry. We are producing bells and so many other things like all this turkey and all this things. We are trying to maybe bring our own machine to start action of the eggs.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why we are doing. It's a company.
Wow. I see. We never know this.
The second store is meant for the packing of the fish, while the third one is meant for the packing of the eggs.
Okay, for the eggs. Please, I want you to tell me what this is for. Wow, engineer, you are doing a great job here. We love your work. We never knew this kind of thing is here.
Thanks.
Please, what is this place for?
Okay, this one is the soccer pit. This is the safety tank. So,
Okay, the safety tank. Yeah. Let's see what is over there.
as you can see, the work is ongoing.
Yeah, I can see the work has already.
The people that are in charge of supplying all the sand, they keep on supplying the sand and the gravel. Even the people that mold the blocks, they are still come there and they are welcoming.
You people don't buy blocks outside.
No.
Why molding by yourself?
Okay, you know that what we are doing here is a very standard work, and we are doing it for the future,
Okay.
not for the temporary. So the people outside there, those companies that sells block, they are doing it in quantity. So, and we don't need quantity. We need a standard block, anything. We measure everything and get the correct result of that, so that tomorrow we will not have any shaking or any shutdown of the building or the fence. So that's why we are doing everything in ourselves. Not only that we don't have money, we have money to buy the block outside, but due to what they are selling outside there is the quantity.
Yes.
They are not selling quality. So we are producing even right from the beginning. We bought sand, bought cement, bought everything. We call the people that mold block, give them the actual measurement. They will measure and mold the block the way we want. So that is the reason why.
Okay. That is, you have a
So then looking at here, this is the main poultry house.
the main poultry house.
Yes, this one is meant for the broiler.
You mean the first one?
No, I mean all.
All, okay.
Yes, it's a big warehouse. It's meant for the broiler, and the length is 160 meters, while the weight is 40 meters. As you can see, the work is ongoing. So we just finished from the DPC. So we will try to start the filling of the place, and after that we will chain it and floor it before we will start mounting our pillars up. Okay.
But excuse me, sir. How long has this contract has been?
Okay, this for now this is 11 months.
Wow.
We started it on January 14th. So, but by now we would have even completed everything, but due to the rainy season, so that was the reason why we paused the work, because of the rain.
Okay.
It was too much there. As you can see, let me take you down there. You will see what the rain, the damages we have there. Look at this place. It's not up to a week we cover this place. So this is the damage
Caused by rain.
by rain, yes. So then we don't have any channel. We don't even channel the erosion, the water for them to pass away. So then the water dumped here. So in the first pool here. So that's the reason why we just construct. This thing you're seeing is the gutter. So we have a channel. We have already planned where the water will just move out.
You have channeled the waterway out.
Yes. You will just channel the waterway out. So that is the reason, because then we don't even have such thing there. But now we just introduce it so that the water will have a way out. Yeah.
Okay.
So and then we just stop the work just because of the rainy season. But now we are into dry season. Our work has commenced. So the building over there is an office. The manager's office and the secretary office too. And those small rooms is made for the warehouse. As you can see, we have a much compound, and the land is more than acres of the land. So
Sir, excuse me. Like, how many plots is this land?
Okay, this is an acres of land. This is the section for the broiler, and we are, after doing this one, we have a second section. This is section A. Why this one is section B? For people can there record.
So you are going to the building.
Yes, the house over there.
What is this building for?
Okay, here is the main office, the manager office and the secretary office. And inside of this place is the warehouse. And we have already constructed this for the building of the base. Then after the building of the bells, we are going to transfer it for the ventilation.
Okay.
Yeah, because while at the day old, they need a hot place. But once they reach a month, they need sun and breeze for them to survive and grow faster. So that's the reason after that a month, we are going to transfer them outside for their main house, so that they will have a much ventilation for their lives and the sun for their life too.
Okay.
And inside that place, there's a space again for mounting of the machine, the incubator machine that hatch the eggs.
Yes.
So that's the reason why the building is there.
Okay. So let us see some parts of the rooms now. Okay. What is inside there?
There is the first room.
And what machine is this? What is this machine used for?
Okay, the machine, this is the pumping machine.
Used to do what?
Okay, we are using it now for pumping of the water because of the we are not yet introduced a borehole here, so we are using it for the temporary.
Okay. So a borehole will be established here.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the toilet for the first office. And this is the second office. This is the toilet for it. And the gen over there is the generator, the one that supply light to the building.
Wow. So this is a great job you are doing here. Hey, let us check the back.
Okay.
What is all this thing at the back here? This place is so big.
Yeah, the land is big. Here is the station again, and this station is meant for the native fowl and the layers too. Why? Because since maybe we are trying to produce our own best,
Yes.
you cannot even maybe get the normal eggs through the feed, because once you are using feed to feed the layers, what the result they will give you is only the eggs that you will sell or eat, but it will not produce another chicks. So for you to get the right answer or the right result, at least after that a month, the day after bleeding them, then you need to push them outside for them to feed on the ground. So for them to feed on the ground, they need another best like native to train them how to feed on the ground. That's why we introduce this extension. Then this extension is meant for the native and the layers. The native one will culture the layers well.
Yes.
Then after they culturing the layers well, they will start having affair with the layers too. So through the affection, the layers itself will start bringing the normal eggs, which we will use to put to hatch eggs.
Yes.
And get our own birds. So that is the reason why we introduce this.
Okay. You mean this section is for the birds that
native
birds that will help to produce eggs
yes.
that is used to get the birds you need.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I think these people have done a great job. So my question is, this work people have done here is a good one, but I want to ask, like, if somebody want to do this in his community or somewhere else again, because this work is not, as you have said, this work is not only for temporary, it's for the future, and this is a good work, and it's also a development. So I would like you to tell me a little bit of how and what made you to bring this here. What is your aim?
Okay, number one, as you said, this is part of development. So we bring in development to the community of this land, Misiak. Before I will start encouraging people or giving you advice, this is the stream-based farm limited. So my advice is for those who want to start, or for those who have started already, or for those who don't have much money.
Please excuse me, I'll be back. Five.
Okay.
I said, so you say what is your advice to the people will be?
Okay, my advice, number one, if you want to introduce such thing, you need to be far away from the residents. I mean, you will far away from living homes or living house. Why? Because of the noise from the birds. Because the bird disturbs a lot.
Okay.
Not only the birds we are introducing here, we will introduce so many things here. So you need to be far from the residents. And number two, you get a big land. I mean, a big land that will accommodate such thing. In case if you don't even have a big land, you can even start it with a small land. And if you don't have money to raise your own at this standard, you can even, the little that you have, you can even start it with. You can even buy a wood and construct it and keep on managing it for temporary. So when you get money, you can even start it the way this one is now. So, but the reason why we are trying to maybe put everything in order using a normal, accurate, and make sure that it is a standard is just because we are doing it for the future. So we don't need maybe tomorrow we'll start destroying or this thing to reconstruct so many. No, we are doing it for the future. So my advice now is, one, you must be far from the residents. Two, you acquire a big land. And three, you will have money.
Capital.
The capital. If it is not too much like that, the little that you have, you can even start it. So that is my advice for the viewers and the people that is watching me. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Sir, please, in brief, just tell us about yourself and how long you've been in this work.
Okay, my name is Okwaranya Okanand Emmanuel. So I'm not from this community. I'm from neighboring community here, Abokwa Umubu. So, and this work, I have been into this work so many years. So for me, standing here or being in this community, this is 11 months I've been here. So it means that the person maybe has been into this work so many years. So
Okay.
thank you so much.
Thank you. I think the way you speak and the way you explain things, I see this work has been in you, not you being in the work. This is a work that you have bring out yourself to do. Well, thank you. Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Follow me on YouTube or Instagram.